back to the Adjunct's kitchen. We make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks. My name's Chad Seeger. It was going to happen sooner or later, but today it's going down. The Adjunct's kitchen own guacamole. The must-haves for this dish are ripe avocados, red onion, and limes. Optionals are coriander, salt and pepper, cilantro, and spicy chilies. The steps to making this dish are to chop and slightly grind the onions, then chop and mix the chilies and cilantro. Then add your avocado, season, and then mix the guacamole, then plate and serve. Making guacamole is pretty straightforward, and it's all prep, but there are some tricks to it. So start by cutting your onion very fine. Make sure to cut it up fine. No one wants to bite into a big hunk of onion when they're eating guacamole. Now if you have a mortar and pestle, you can grind up the onions. I just use a fork or sometimes a spoon. You don't have to grind them super fine, but just enough to release some of the juices. For the chilies, you're also going to a pretty fine dice. Give the cilantro a pretty rough chop. Now it's time for the avocado. I find that a butter knife works if your avocado's ripe. Just cut it right down the middle, open it up, take out the seed, scoop all that delicious avocado right into the bowl. Now I'm going to season it with a little coriander. Hit it with some fresh lime. Some more fresh lime. And give it a good mix. Some people add salt or tomatoes to their guacamole. I don't find either necessary. We're just about finished here. Some delicious guac. Beautiful. It's a great dip, topping, snack, burrito filling. The world's a better place with guacamole. Well, thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel!